So are you facing problems of the dark frunk? Are you consistently losing things in this cavernous area? Similarly with the back, have you been consistently poking your dipstick where you shouldn't have poked it? Well then this quick DIY is for you, how to install the C5W light bulb. So again, you can splurge and you can spend a lot of money on getting LED branded or LED type light bulbs, but from my perspective it's personally not worth it at all. This set here of 2 light bulbs costs approximately €1.50 or something along those lines. So I would absolutely not recommend to spend so much money on getting LEDs. Again, your preference here, but I prefer to stick with the original OEM spec Philips. Okay, so with regards to the Frunk light bulb, it's rather simple. All you have to do is use your thumbnail, for example, to pop this one open here. And then you have the light bulb assembly itself. So it's a rather rudimentary assembly. I'll just pop it right off from its socket. There you can take a look how it looks like. And the point here is that you simply want to install one of these bulbs right into that location, which is rather simple. So you pop the bulb into its location as such. For some reason mine wasn't installed. And then all you need to do is plug it right into its socket and you can already see the light beginning to show promise. Now the one thing I would recommend doing for the Frunk at least is to close or to grab a camera phone and to close the Frunk just to make sure that it shuts down, because some of the 996s have had the issue that the Frunk, when closed, the light bulb was still on. And one of my assumptions is that given that we don't have the light bulb installed in the first place, is that the prior owner could have simply removed it so that it doesn't drain any battery. Test number 1, whether the light will shut down. Alright, so the test with the Frunk was a success. It did shut down, in fact. So now on to the rear, so to the engine bay or the trunk. So again, similarly, we have the light bulb located in this location. You want to grab by the left side, pop it right open, pull it out, and there you can see the shoddy light bulb. So again, we pop it right open, just for curiosity's sake. So it cracked. So this is precisely something that might happen. What you want is a screwdriver, and you want to lift out this bracket over here so that it has less space between the 2 poles in terms of the light bulbs. Let me grab a flathead screwdriver. I'll be right back. So we have finished readjusting here the little plates. So what you want to do is you want to pull up this pole over here, so this metal piece. You want to pull it up, and what I would recommend is to bend this as well, just to shorten the overall distance of this here, so you make sure that the light bulb can actually be seated there. And then we simply re-enter the light bulb. It should have a good fit. It shouldn't obviously be detached by some shakes, so it should have a sturdy enough fit. And then all you need to do is reattach it to the cable itself, and it should be working like a charm. There we go. And we pop her right back in. And there we go, I can turn off the light on my camera. Okay then, so we fixed the Frunk light as well as the trunk light. So thank you very much for watching this quick one. It's just a quick guide, and wishing everybody a nice day. Take care, bye-bye.